many people might not realize, but anything to do with as small as just your GPS on your phone, or your communications that you do through an internet, or talk to your friend in another country. Everything is built around how space infrastructure is. And if one of these satellites get out of their own orbit or get hit by another debris or anything, well, we're going to have problems on ground, and that's not something that we want. So everything that companies like Lunasa are doing is mainly to protect that environment.
We use AI for visual-based navigation. So this is kind of like a self-driving car. So whereas a self-driving car would drive itself on the road, using AI, we use the same kind of AI in order to pilot satellites in an autonomous way. So this might be useful for servicing a satellite or refueling a satellite. If we have autonomous satellites going around doing these services, then it will like enable the future of basically the space industry rather than having to do everything manually.